Hey, I'm Dr. �𝐸𝐚𝐥 coming to you from North Texas Plastic Surgery. I'm here with Tammy, who's one of our certified medical estheticians, who is also great at laser technology. She's going to be giving me a Hydrafacial today.
It's going to get deep in the pores and help clean out all the oil and dirt.
The proof is in the pudding. Skin feels radiant right now. If you guys want to book with us, we have 3 locations for North Texas Plastic Surgery, one in Dallas, one in Plano, and another in Southlake. Give us a call and we'll get you plugged in with one of our estheticians right away to get your Hydrafacial.